Okay, here we are. We have a 1997 Jeep Wrangler, 4-cylinder, 2.5 liter engine. Is the only coming 4x4, I believe. Had problems starting the Jeep. Let me show you. So a lot of people don't show what it does, and this is what it does. Let me try to start it. Okay, here we are. And then so we did several things. The battery died one. Replace the battery. There you go. New battery. Connections are good and clean. The next step was changing the ignition coil, which is you can see right there. It's brand new. That didn't help. I did notice is that the surety cap, everything, all the plugs are good. The wires are good. Connections are good. That's one of the things that people say to check. I did notice that the distributor rotor was not spinning or turning. So the next thing is to, sorry for the angle, to replace the crankshaft position sensor. This thing's $100 at Advanced Auto Parts. If you buy it online, you get to save 20%, which comes out to $86. Saves a little bit. AutoZone has it for $99 also. So, I mean, you get a better deal if you do that, if you have an Advanced Auto Parts by your house or whatever. So that goes, it's kind of hard to see, but this is the connection itself. Trace the back. Actually, is on the transmission. If we go underneath that, we'll see that it's right there. It's just 2 bolts. Hopefully, it should be easy. I'm gonna replace it, and hopefully, it's just worn out. It looks pretty cruddy and old. So we will see. I'm gonna make a part 2 because I'm actually recording live on this thing, and we'll show you the result, and hopefully we get a start. But it's a good way to see if you know, to get something fixed. Especially, we already replaced the ignition coil. That was about $40 or so for a decent one, decent brand. You always want to do a decent brand because the cheaper brands go out. Oh, and then also we thought it was a starter. We replaced the starter a while back, last year actually, and we took it off to get tested, and it was failing, but and they that's why you buy better stuff too, because it comes with lifetime warranty. AutoZone replaced it for us, and that's not the case anymore. So the case is, hopefully that is $100 invested. So we'll see. I'm gonna replace it, and then we'll see what happens.